Hello guys and welcome to tutorial number 5. In this tutorial I will discuss about working with lists. So firstly I have to create a variable for a list and I will name it car, and remember, a list must be in the square brackets. A list can contain as many entries as you want. In here I will write some of the names of cars that I know. So let it be Audi, BMW, Nissan, Honda and Mercedes. You have noticed that all the names are written in the quotation marks. You can see that the list is created now. So let's print out our list by simply typing print and the name of the list in the parentheses. You can see it is simply printed out. Let's perform a function which is index function. It will tell us that what is the index of any entry in the list. The indexes are starting from 0, so the index of Nissan is 2. Let's check out the index of BMW. So the index of BMW is 1. Let's move on to next function, which is pop function. The pop function is used to pop out any entry at any index. So run our code and you can see Honda is printed out, as Honda was the popped entry. If I write cars.pop separately at the line above, and now I will print out cars list. Now you can see the entry Honda is missing now. Let's move on to next function, which is insert function. In here I want to insert Toyota car at index 2. So firstly I have to write 2, then I have to write what I want to insert at index 2. So as you guys can see, the index 2 is containing Toyota now. Let's move on to next function, which is clear function. Basically it will clear all the entries in the list. So as you guys can see, the entries have been removed and the list is empty. The next function is append function, and for that I have to create another list, which is bikes. So I will add one entry to the bike, which is heavy bikes. And in the parentheses of append function I will insert bikes variable. As you guys can see, at the end of the cars list, heavy bikes is added now. If I remove the square brackets, you can see it is looking like the heavy bikes is the entry of cars list. The next function is reverse function. It will reverse the list, and you can see I have set the Mercedes at last index, and here the Mercedes is printed out at the first index. Now I will perform remove function, and I want to remove BMW from the list, and you can see the BMW is removed from the list. We can print only one entry from the list, as I want to print cars at index 3, which will be Honda, and index 2 will be Nissan. If I want to print a piece from a list, I will use colon. For example, index 1 onwards will print out whole list from index 1 onwards. If I write here 0 colon, it will print whole list. If I print 0 colon 3, it will print out all the entries between 0 and 3 index. Same we can do with 0 colon 3. It will only print out 2 entries. If I will write 1 colon 2, it will print only one entry, which is BMW. If I type colon 3, that means it will print all the entries till index 3. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.